In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Typeform responses in the best and easiest way possible. Whether you're looking to conduct in-depth data analysis or simply want a local copy of your results, I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, head over to your workspace. This is where a list of all your forms will be displayed. Scroll through and select the form from which you want to download responses. After selecting, you'll notice a series of options at the top or side of your screen. Click on the Responses tab to dive into the data collection aspect of your form. Now, it's downloading time. If you're aiming to gather all responses in a single go, you'll see a little checkbox in the header row of your response list. Click on this to select every response available for that particular form. However, if you only need certain bits of information or specific responses, Typeform has you covered. You can manually pick and choose the responses you want by checking those boxes individually. Alternatively, if you're inclined towards precision and clarity, you might want to use the filter option. This will allow you to narrow down and filter responses based on particular criteria, ensuring you get exactly what you need. Once you've determined which responses to download, look towards the bottom of your page and you'll see a download icon. This is your next step on the journey. Give it a click and a prompt will request you to select your preferred file format. Here, you have a couple of choices. Opt for CSV if you're thinking about digging into some data analysis, as it's compatible with most spreadsheet applications and offers a clean, universally usable format. Alternatively, there's the XLSX format, which is specifically designed for Excel users. Just a quick heads up though, this option is gradually being phased out, so it's possible it won't be around in the future. After deciding on your desired format, you have one final decision to make. You can either choose to have the file sent directly to your email address or simply download it straight through your browser. However, keep in mind, if you've applied filters or are dealing with files that were uploaded through a file upload question, you might find that the email option is grayed out. In such cases, the direct download via your browser will be the way to go. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of downloading your Typeform responses efficiently and effectively. With these steps, you'll be able to manage and utilize your data with ease. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy downloading.